Hi everyone, and welcome to Barcelona. In Ausa, we've always believed that innovation is essential to staying ahead of the game and driving the company into the future. As we could not present in person our new products in the trade fairs this year due to the virus, we have found this new way to present them. For Ausa, the customers are always the focus of everything we do, from the design of new products to the after-sales service and parts. We control the entire value chain, which allows us to introduce innovations in each phase of the process. This ensures that our end customers will be fully satisfied with the experience. Our products provide customers with efficiency and innovation. In this way, we actively contribute to development, progress, and improvement of quality of life. We offer sustainable solutions for the construction of buildings and roads, material handling, and agriculture. For this purpose, we design and market three different ranges of industrial compact vehicles: dumpers, rough terrain forklifts, and telescopic handlers. In our catalog, we offer many different models which we adapt to the specific requirements of each market. Ausa's top sale product is our articulated side dumper. We have a range of 16 different models from 1 to 10 tons. They have hydrostatic transmission, torque converter, as well as a front swing and high tip skip. The all-terrain forklift is our product with the largest market share. In our catalog, you can find 10 different models with payloads ranging from 1.2 to 5 tons. They offer a wide range of masts and accessories, as well as the option to choose from 4-wheel drive or 2-wheel drive. And finally, we have the most compact, maneuverable, and versatile telehandlers in the market. Since we started manufacturing them in 2008, they've had a huge impact and growing customer interest. Here we're going to show you some of the major innovations we have produced. Currently, we can find Ausa products all over the world thanks to the invaluable help of our network. More than 500 dealers provide solutions to our customers, support them in their projects, and answer their queries. Thanks to them, the Ausa brand is well known worldwide for the reliability and design of its products. And in order to maintain this privileged position in the machinery sector, we are delighted to show some truly innovative products today. So without further ado, I'd like to introduce you to Mark Plans. Over to you, Mark.
Thank you, Ramon. Today we'll be presenting major innovations in 3 sections. But first, there is a new technological innovation featured in almost all our new models: the digital screen. The limited analog information in the driving position is now a technological experience. Now users are able to see all the data as never before on this type of vehicle. The screen has become the brain of the machine. Here you can view and control all the indicators and control the operation of the new smart systems. For example, you can quickly see when eco mode, hill holder, or smart stop systems are working, and any other information that will appear if necessary. It will even give you accurate information of the status of the particulate filter and indicates you when it is self-regenerating. In terms of safety, we have also worked on in various indicators for users. If the seatbelt is not fastened, for example, when you exceed 5 km/h, an indicator appears on the entire screen. An acoustic warning device will also alert the operator repeatedly until the seatbelt is fastened. However, one of the key features of this digital display is the diagnostic information without having to connect any external device. Until now, if the machine required technical assistance, only one engine signal will light up. Now, with the new screen and its diagnosis menus, self-diagnosis shows immediately which part has failed. This means any error can be resolved very quickly in most cases without having to bring the machine to the workshop. To access these menus, simply keep the gas pedal pressed to the floor, press the button on the joystick while turning the ignition on. With the joystick, it's very simple to navigate and view all the machine's information. What's more, all this technology that is visible on the screen which is standard in some of our machines, is instantly transmitted in your computer or mobile. As a result, you can control the location and any indicator that is visible on your machine wherever you are. This new device will help you to become familiar with machine's operation, all its parameters, and significantly reduce downtime and assistance. Thank you for your attention. Now Raúl Pons will continue with the presentation. Over to you, Raúl.
Thanks, Mark. One of our main products, the new products where we are going to feature this new digital screen, is one of our main launches this year. The new reversible damper, the DR601 AAG. This is the 6-ton capacity new damper. One impressive design combined with the latest technology makes the best Ausa damper ever. This damper reversibility concept is unquestionably the best of the market. The seat can rotate 180 degrees and all the elements adapt instantly to the new driver's position. The steering wheel, the joystick, the pedals, and the safety camera. The driver can also get on and off for both sides of the machine easily and safely. This means a noticeable increase in speed and flexibility. The reversibility concept makes the operation much faster and safer than the conventional dampers, so the productivity is much higher. In terms of technology, we have developed various systems in order to make it the most efficient damper. It features the Eco Mode system, where the engine is automatically regulated for lower fuel consumption and CO2 emissions. It can also feature the Smart Stop. It's a system that automatically stops the engine when it is not in use and the situation meets optimal time and safety requirements. It also features the hill holder system, a startup and safety assistance system, which activates the machine brake when the speed is 0 and you take your foot off the accelerator. This provides a huge increase in safety, particularly when working on slopes. It has a LED lighting system, which increases the visibility for the operator and the rest of the vicinity. They are arranged in such a way that they avoid direct impacts. And you can control all this via digital screen located in the driver position. And these advances will undoubtedly make your life easier and more efficient. And the machine's performance is also incredibly impressive. The DR601 AAG is fitted with a limited slip differential on both axles as a standard, allowing the engine to transmit movement individually to each wheel to best adapt to each surface. And this, combined with the hydrostatic transmissions, means any obstacle can be overcome surprisingly smoothly and easily. The Dow's 55.4 kW engine complies with the Stage 5 and Tier 4 final regulations, and is a new generation engine that offers maximum power with a minimum consumption and emissions. It has a torque of 340 Nm at 1,500 RPMs. Regarding driver visibility, we focus on two main points. Firstly, the operator's position is high up, designed to provide a full field of vision. In addition, in order to ensure the perfect view of the hidden part of the bottom of the skip, a camera was incorporated that relays the images instantly to the operator's position. The machine can also be equipped with a proximity sensor to further enhance the safety of the operator and those in the vicinity. Lastly, let's talk about the maintenance. We have worked substantially in order to minimize the time spent to replace parts and the maintenance. And that's achieved the shortest possible machine stop time. We have placed the engine in a central position for accessibility from both sides through easy to open covers. We have put all the most common maintenance elements there and have made it easy to identify all the grease points. We have also fitted a new generation DPF with automatic regeneration system. Even if the machine is only used a few hours a week, the system will start up by itself without you having to do anything. According to the estimated use of our machines, 95% of the time the operator will not have to carry out any type of action. Without doubt, a breakthrough and one less thing to worry about. We want our customers to concentrate on getting the most out of their vehicles. Finally, this model is available with a large number of accessories and finishes. From January 2021, it would also be possible to equip it with an easily removable closet cap for transport, and the reversible driving 10-ton capacity model will also be launched on the market. I hope you are as excited about these new products as we are. And now I will leave you with Elizabeth Massot, so that she can present another new product.
The new reversible damper is amazing, but it's not the only new item that we have prepared for you today. We also want to present you a very different concept. This model has specifications and a new capacity previously not included in our catalog. It's our great pleasure to present you our new damper, the D300 AAG. This is our new D300 AAG, an articulated damper with 3-ton capacity and a side tip skip. This model completes our range of versatile, reliable, and durable dampers with capacities from 1 to 10 tons. One of the main strengths of this model is that we have created it based on the 4.5 model damper. The same chassis, the same hydrostatic transmission, and the same engine cooling system. All this mounted in a smaller capacity damper for a maximum reliability and durability. It also incorporates an 18.5 kilowatt Kubota 4-cylinder engine that we are already using in other Ausa models. There's no need for a DPF, and it complies with the Stage 5 and Tier 4 final regulations. This means that we have created a new model, but with the benefit of all the experience gained in all the models in our catalog. Its torque of 92.6 Newton meters at 1,700 RPM is perfect for climbing slopes of up to 46% at full load capacity. This makes it a great little damper for the most demanding jobs. We know that driver safety is the priority for operators and fleet managers. That's why we wanted to pay special attention to this in the design. We have configured the engine as startup, so it is only enabled with the handbrake on or with neutral gear. This avoids unintentional movement by the damper. The shape of the skip guarantees maximum forward vision, and it can also be optionally fitted with our full visibility system, made up of cameras and proximity sensors. We can therefore guarantee that this is the safest and the most efficient 3-tone damper on the market. We wanted to combine simplicity and strength to ensure the minimum maintenance for the owner. Apart from the counterweight, all the exposed components of the machines are made of metal to guarantee the durability regardless of use. It has an intuitive single-lever joystick that allows you to control the skip's movement and select the direction travel. There is a spacious driving position with access from both sides of the vehicle. Maintenance tasks are simple, fast, and inexpensive, since the main maintenance components are easily accessible from the rear part of the machine. We believe that we have created a great little vehicle with the reliability, durability, and simplicity of our know-how. Lastly, I would like to mention that this new model D300 AAG is available from today through the usual distribution channels. Now I want to welcome Francesc Moreno to make his presentation. Over to you, Francesc.
All-terrain forklifts occupy a very special space in Ausa's product catalog, because we have been manufacturing them since 1967. What's more, since then, they have been distributed all over the world, leading the sector in some of the markets in which we are present. To continue in this position and to offer the best solutions, we have redesigned our range of all-terrain forklifts with an entirely technological platform. Today, we want to present to you the spearhead of the range, the new Ausa C251H all-terrain forklift. At the first glance, the new design of the counterweight stands up, with its angular and aggressive lines and with the large openings for a better cooling for the new generation engines. On the same part, we see the back of the counterweight with a new integrated LED lighting system, giving us an integrated appearance and protection against impacts. However, behind this significant aesthetic change, there is an important technological evolution inside. It is fitted with a 31 kW Stage 5 Tier 4 4-cylinder Kubota engine with an hydrostatic motor pump assembly managed by 3 control units. With the electronic control system that we have developed, we have introduced key advances such as the Eco Mode system, which automatically regulates the revs of the engine in order to achieve a better consumption and less CO2 emissions. We have also equipped the entire range with the heel holder system, which activates the brake when the speed is 0 and you take your foot off the accelerator. This provides a huge increase in safety when working on slopes. It is also fitted with a second generation full grip drive, which activates the all-wheel drive system just pressing a button on the joystick, and always if you are running below 10 km per hour. All this information can be controlled using the display and managed using the joystick. However, apart from the technology, how important is the maintenance of the machine? We have created this new range to make life easier for our customers, giving easy access to its components. The new design of the counterweight and the tilting cap enable unparalleled access to the engine components. We have grouped all the elements together in order to perform the maintenance or parts replacement in a very short space of time. One important thing about the maintenance is that, thanks to the new generation engines, the engine oil change will be up to 500 hours, which is double the time compared to the predecessor model. We also fitted a new generation DPF with automatic regeneration system. Even if the machine is used only few hours a week, the system will start by itself. This means that the 95% of the time, the operator will not have to carry out any kind of operation. Without doubt, a breakthrough and one less thing to worry about. And what about all-terrain capabilities? The new C251 has some aspects that differentiate it from our competitors, making it the best for off-road surfaces. It is fitted with a limited slip differential on the front axle, allowing the engine to transmit the moment on each wheel depending on the surfaces. Together with the full grip drive system developed by Ausa, no situation will stop you moving forward. Its compact dimensions mean that it can be maneuvered in small spaces, with a turning radius from 3 meters from the two-wheel drive version and the 4.1 meters for the all-wheel drive version. Whichever cab configuration is chosen, open, semi-closed or closed, it is comfortable and has improved accessibility through 3 support points. Thanks to its total redesign, the C251H cab has an interior space that is 16% wider than its predecessor model, with exactly the same overall machine width and 30% greater visibility from inside. The new forklift range has the same mass configurations from its predecessor model, with extended mass up to 5.5 meters and with 2 or 3 stages as an option. So we are very pleased to be able to launch our best forklift range ever and to share them with you. I will leave you now with Jordi Martí, who will tell you about some of the other new items.
The moment has finally arrived to present our latest innovation in the field of telehandlers. We started producing this product range in 2008, but the technological evolution of this product and their launch in the market has been meteoric. We have an increasing number of customers who trust in our compact telehandler range, and the sales forecasts are very positive in the close future. In order to offer the best product in the market, today we have a very special launch, the new T235H. We have kept the same name, but we completely reconceptualized and redesigned the machine in order to offer the best user experience. As you can see, the angular lines and the large openings are the standout feature as the new aggressive appearance. We are very proud to present the new T235H with a maximum payload of 2,300 kilograms and a lift capacity of 5 meters. Also sharing the base with the new T204 with a payload of 2,000 kilograms and a lift capacity of 4.2 meters. Both models are available from today, but what makes this machine so special? Firstly, we designed this machine with the driver visibility as priority. We know that this is the key aspect on telehandlers range. For this reason, at Ausa, we solve it, placing the boom in one side of the machine and moving the cab as far forward as possible. This provides 360 degrees view, as there are no elements that can interfere in the driver operator. Thanks to this structure, we managed to maintain a comfortable and spacious cab interior, keeping the overall width as minimum as possible. Technologically speaking, the machine is very advanced. In its interior is the digital screen, which allows the operator to control all the main components. As well, they can access to the maintenance menu and control all the parameters of the machine. It incorporates LED lighting system, which improves the operator visibility. They are located in such a way so as to avoid contact in most of the possible impact areas. We fitted it with the latest generation 32.8 kilowatts Kubota engine that complies with the strictest Stage 5 and Tier 4 final regulations on emissions. The hydrostatic transmission with 2 selectable speeds regulates the speed and optimizes the power delivery. We have incorporated the latest safety technology, from the load cell for efficient and safe handling to the automatic locking boom if the device detects a dangerous situation. As for the mobility, the T235 has 3 different steering modes: front-wheel drive, crab mode, and 4-wheel drive, for a minimum turning radius of 2.8 meters. With these modes, the user can control the machine and perform any movement quickly and with the least number of maneuvers. To return to a standard position, there is an assistance system to align the front and the rear axle. The limited slip differential on front axle makes it possible to overcome any difficult surface. The engine transmits the movement to each wheel individually to best adapt the terrain. One of the key needs for the telehandler users is the option of attaching accessories. Our telehandlers have up to 3 different types of hitches. That means that our customers can choose which one suits their needs. We have the Ausa manual hitch, the universal hydraulic quick hitch, and the Euro 8 hitch. The last 2 attach easily without having to leave the driving position. We know that when a user needs a machine, the last thing that they want is to have it out of service for maintenance reasons. We have therefore designed our new model to minimize these time periods. The new rear design includes a cover that provides direct access to the engine, where we have grouped all the most common maintenance components. What's more, the tilting cap, unique in the market, provides even easier access to any of these machines' components. We have also fitted a new generation DPF with an automatic regeneration system. Even if the machine is only used a few hours per week, the system will start up automatically. This means that 95% of the time, the operator will not have to carry out any kind of action. Lastly, these telehandlers come with a large list of accessories and finishes, such as open cap, semi-closed cap, and fully closed cap. We are delighted to have been able to explain these products to you, and we hope you like them. And now, Juan Urquijo will close the event.
Beautiful pieces of equipment, aren't they? Many thanks Marc, Raúl, Elizabeth, Francesc and Jordi for your presentation. We are very proud to have been able to present all these major innovations in Ausa's catalog. We have presented the new digital display to you, which we have incorporated in our machine. It allows the operator and the owner of the machine to obtain all the status information and dramatically reduce downtime. We have seen the new 6-ton capacity reversible damper for the first time, which has the best all-terrain performance on the market. We have also presented the D300 AHG damper to you, a model added to our catalog and which stands out for its great toughness. In addition, the new all-terrain forklift range, a revolution in the sector, undoubtedly the most advanced on the market. Finally, the innovative design of our new telehandlers, which continues the evolution of the technological line of all Ausa vehicles. Impressive new product to continue to offer the most efficient, safe and innovative solutions. Products that are already available and you can order from your nearest dealership. We hope you like our new product as much as we do. Before I finish, I would like to thank everyone who is watching and especially all the people at Ausa who make it possible for us to be here today. Thank you all very much.